Hi friends, this is Subhash here and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. Today I'm on the ride of Shastri Linga to Jog Fall, around 75 kilometers away from Shastri Linga to Jog Fall. This is the Sirsi road from this side, Elapur to Sirsi. I'll take this road from here now. It's 3:30 now. It will take around more 1 hour to reach there. Let's see what we can see there today. After that I'm going to Bhatkal area from that side, then the Muddeshwar. Let's see what we can see today, and tomorrow also I'll be riding back to home. Okay then, if you like this video guys, do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Hey guys, this is Sirsi here, Sirsi, and I will go this side here, and if you have to cross the city and change the road there, and this is the road from where I come now. So this road, that guy showed me the way out here. Okay, let's go around 55 kilometers away from here now. Okay, let's go. Alright friends, I am here somewhere. You see this area? This is inside. I was riding to Jog Fall, then one guy said me there's a Unchali Falls here. Unchali Falls. Here, you see this? It's 11 kilometers away from here, this way. So even I'll cover this at the same time. Okay then guys. Alright friends, yeah, I'm here now. It's Unchali Falls area. You see this? It's 5 o'clock in the evening now, and there's the stall here, and this is what we have. Okay, they say welcome to Unchali's Fall. I'll go inside here. 5 minutes, 500 meters walking distance, they said, from here. I supposed to go to Jog Fall directly, but one guy suggests me to even you can cover this area. So I won't be able to reach today at Jog Fall. It will be darker in the today. So I'll have to stay somewhere at Sitapur. Let's see what will come next now. This is our job to show you some places to explore. This is all about bikers. Bikers, people who travels long distance. Hope you like this video guys. I must say only few people must be came here from Goan people, only maybe few people to come, maybe, I think so. It's very inside here. It's not too much walking time here from here to there. Okay, let's go a little bit further. Even tomorrow, what I'll do Muddeshwar and Gokarna at Konkan areas. Last video, one person got unconscious there on that last fall where I've been before, because of climbing back at the spot from where they have come. It feels like more than 500 meters, yaar. If you like my efforts, guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. In future, I'll be doing great videos like this. I will explore unexplored places where some people never been and never heard before. So be with me, and thank you for all your support and all who views my videos and all. So this is the area where finally I have been here, but I have to climb some more steps there. Climb down. Okay. So this is the area here, and that's the viewpoint, I guess, and we can walk down from there. Let's see what we can see from there now. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. When you go somewhere like this, in mountains, you never keep your helmets or whatever, your keys, your bags. In those areas, the lot of monkeys here will pick you up all the things and run away. You have a lot of hard time to see. Okay, guys, this is what the Unchali Falls. You see, there's a steps there, lot of steps maybe to reach down there. Okay, so this is the area, and few more guys had come here. So okay, let's climb down a little bit. I'll show you. So guys, this is how it steps are. You see here. These steps are much better than Jogfall, I think. Yeah, to climb. Jogfall's steps are very hard. Okay, let's see what happened there now. And last year I've been there. So when climbing back on these steps here, it's very hard time. Even I, from 6:30 in the morning, I started riding. It's almost to 260 kilometers I've ridden till now. Okay, there's the one more viewpoint here. Okay, and that's the Unchali. Okay, there you can see some people are gathered here. I'll just go and shoot from there itself. Okay, don't mind guys, because I'm very tired and even it's getting dark. I have to rush somewhere. I'm a solo rider, guys. Okay, I'll climb there. Okay, all right friends, these are some people here, some left. Okay, and this is the fall here, Unchali. Oh, it's a really big fall. So Unchali Fall is really big than other fall, I think, and it's a huge waterfall here. You see, it's a last stop. We cannot go down there. We don't have more steps to climb down. I thought maybe too much steps there. Okay. And these are here I was before at this point. And this is all the mountain here, like a plateau here. Okay. Welcome to Unchali Falls, guys. Okay. Alright, friends. I'm done with Unchali Falls here. I'm tired now. It's 5:30 in the evening. I'll just find a room to stay today in Sitapur maybe. Let's see how long it takes to reach there. It's very inside here. I'll let you know later. Okay, friends, I'm on the way to Siddhapur from Unchali Falls. Siddhapur here. I just need a room to stay today. So it's around 6:20 now, and this is the road. It's almost 17 kilometers away from here now, and this is the view. I'll show you this place here. I think this is the same water which comes from the fall there. Yeah. So this is the. I'll try to show you other side as well. So this is what they have here at this place. They're building this new bridge, I think. Okay, let's go now. I'll show you how much it cost for the room here in Siddhapur. Small room. I need just to spend a night. Okay. Alright, friends. Finally, I found a room. It's 8:30 now. It's near Jog Fall, not now Jog Fall. It's Katkani. In Siddhapur, there is no room at all. I have to search everywhere. Almost 2 hours I've been looking for them. Then I started riding towards Jog Fall. Then I found this lodge here. It's nice lodge, but it doesn't charge me much also. And even he has a lots of space there outside. Even behind this one more, they are building big lodge here. I'll show you outside. Okay. So this is how room is here. He charged me $300 for this for single person one night. He said 500 they are charging for double. I'll show you outside later on. Okay. Okay, guys. This is you see Malenandu home stay. This is a lodge. When you pass from this side, you can contact this number and ask for room. They have lots of room here. Even behind this also they have new rooms here. And this is the road. That road, straight road. This road comes from Siddhapur here. And Jogfall is other side. Okay, I'll show you outside, friend. That's the road I have come now on the top, Siddhapur, and this road goes to Honavar, downhill there. And this is the lodge here. I stayed here. It's the Malenandu homestay, and even he has a rooms behind this restaurant also over there. And from here is 5 kilometers Jogfall. Tomorrow morning I'll be going that side now. Okay then. And he's the owner here of this. Okay. This is nightlife here at this place. Full night traffic passes this way, and they stop here for breakfast, lunch, coffee, tea or something like that. Even I drive car this way from Bangalore, and this road connects to the Honavar here, Tamkur and Sagar, Shivamogga. This all night this will be same. Okay. Okay then guys, if you like this video, do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. See you in the next video guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.